Now the new Banana Island off of the road. Now I dey talk about, and I be the good news where Mama Peko Africa bring for una. So where I dey now part of New Banana Island, and our governor, yes, so we can governor of Rivers State. See this bridge, if you dey see am when you don't start am, he go finish the bridge, go join with that way they there, so that he go give access road, because there are other road where you go fit pass. But as you see, the environment, people don't live. Houses full everywhere. You dey see the house. Hey, Chineke, 6 million naira only. 6 million naira for this Port Harcourt town. You get one plot of land, 6 million naira. Kai. Follow for this testimony. You see that prayer where they pray since God don't carry and give you.
Bye.
So make you do sharp. Send your money 09034296519 and make you come get your plot for New Banana Island. You dey hear me so? All right, thank you. I dey wait for you. May you send me message sharp. All right, bye.